Hi everyone, my name is Garth Fisher, Senior Solutions Engineer, and thank you for joining Martello's use case video. Today I'll be talking about Teams video call quality that has become very challenging due to the return to the workplace and new modern workplace usage. People are now turning on video even with people inside the same building. So the constraint on the network has grown exponentially. Let's take a look at how you can ensure the best possible video quality and detect bottlenecks in your environment. So the first thing to ensure video quality is to monitor the availability and performance of the service from your critical sites 24/7. For that, you just need to place Vantage DX robot users accordingly and enable video call tests. Here's an example of what some of those boards look like. And to enable the video call testing, I would just come to status and notifications and go ahead and enable it there. So this is a very good way to continuously track the service delivered to critical offices or even critical floors of the building. You can then see these results in our analytic boards for you to better understand the performance per location and get alerted in case of any degradation. Here are some of the metrics you can see on these boards, and I'm on Teams right now. As you can see, there's a lot of different metrics you can focus in on just depending on what you're looking for. But on top of that, you can also activate our network path monitoring feature to visualize and get alerted if any latency is found on the network. So essentially what this does, it just takes that same journey as the packets would to get to the team servers in the Microsoft Cloud and call out any points on that journey that any latency is found. So this will bring you full proactivity with the management of the performance of your network. You can follow and be alerted if a critical location starts to experience network latency, see where that latency is, and evaluate how it affects video call quality. Vantage DX also allows you to correlate this information with your own infrastructure monitoring data to understand exactly what is happening when the latency is discovered. So on this one here, you can see that on the second hop in on our BTnet UK regional network, we happen to have some pretty good round trip time issues that could impact that call. But Martello also gives you the ability to monitor every video call that is made by your users and configure alerts if needed. For that, we'll need to go to our alert configuration section where you can group users and calls the way you want to be alerted. So here you can see several different boards on the screen. I'm just going to be focusing on this video one here at the bottom, which is where you can now decide, how you want to be alerted. Do you want to be alerted each time a video call is bad, or only when a percentage of calls are bad, which is my favorite actually. So you can also choose to create video alerts by location, or for VIPs, or for any group that matters to you. What's great about our solution is that you can also measure the SLA for that service. And we do that by using our business services. Here you can see several business services configured, looking at the service from different perspectives: end user, application, infrastructure, or supplier services. But we're going to be focusing on the Teams video call service itself. You can see the SLA for that service, as well as anything that may have impacted that service delivery to your end users. What's also great is that it was also synchronized any incidents detected directly into your ticketing system or your ITSM tool. So you can take action and speed up the time to service remediation. Here you can see several tickets created within ServiceNow, and you can of course go to raw properties to get more information on that ticket. And finally, if you want to have an overview of all your video alerts and the associated network issue in your environment, you can check our Teams Real User Monitoring Board. So here you can see it's going to be showing you on the map where any video related alerts were generated. Then you can dig into the network related issue to understand the overall situation better and prioritize your network improvement project. So here you'll see, a bunch of different issues that may have happened throughout the day and how many times they happened. Another breakdown of the locations we're, connecting from and the issues that are occurring there. But I won't go into that too deep today because I'm going to dig into those features in another video. I hope this video was interesting and that you now know how you can easily ensure the quality of service of Teams video calls and meetings. Thank you for listening. Enjoy the rest of your day.